All right, what's going on, y'all? Today, we got us another product review. This is the Poabalyee steel poultry restraining comb. If you do your own backyard chickens or your own meat birds, small setup, this is something that'll definitely help you out. I'm excited about this, y'all. I needed one of these for a very long time. I'm gonna show y'all how to install it real quick. So yeah, the flat back design make it easy to install, and it actually comes with screws, so that helps out a lot. Got these two little grooves on the back. You put it on, slide it down so you can remove it. So that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. That thing ain't going nowhere. As you can see what I was using before, these vinegar bottles, you know, they did the job, but yeah. Now we got something a little bit more official, a little bit more better. Yeah, and this cone helps keep the bird calm. It's a restraining cone. It holds them, restrict the bird from moving so much. It'll make the process more humane. What you'll do is you'll put the bird in this way, head first, down this way, feet will be up this way, dispatch them down here. Easy to clean. They also got a 4-pack. So if this works out, I plan on getting some more, but I appreciate this. Like I said, it's an upgrade from what I've been using. And this will make the whole process a little better. Appreciate you guys for tuning into this one. I look forward to using this thing. We'll see how it goes, because I got some birds to process coming up soon. I got some roosters I gotta go ahead and dispatch coming up. So this is right on time. But thanks again for tuning in, and to the next one.